color here. Oh, I see a spot of blue sky. And as you can see on the windshield, we got little speckles of perspiration. Like I said, it'd be a lot better if the sun was out. Make these colors pop, but it is pretty. As soon as I shut it off, we're going to get some nice color coming through. Well, we're on 80. Well, we're headed to the meat market, so we're going to take the highway a little bit faster and come back to back roads. But we got some foliage popping. Here we go. I knew it was here somewhere. It took us a while to find it. Here's the foliage. Like I said, this week is kind of, I think it's going to be the peak week. Peak week? But it's supposed to be cold all week. I'll be lucky if it gets out of the 50s for the week. So if we get a nice sunny day, maybe we'll get on the bike and head out again. But today, it's, you never can tell if you get the rain or not. Because this morning it was bright, clear, blue skies. And now you see what we get. Got a nice wall of color coming up. I think we can. Looking nice. Sorry about that. Hit the windshield. Okie dokie. It just seemed to pop out at me, so I flipped on the camera. It's getting brighter. Hope you're enjoying this. We are. That's cool. We'll do little clips here and there. But things are looking good. Wow! You can see it. I know we're going by all these trees. The sun shines on them, it brightens everything up. Whee! We're headed towards the bench. Overlook, is it Rhymesville or something? Reynoldsville? I don't know. One of the vills.
Dark skies, it makes it pretty.
Yeah. I'm just holding the camera, so it's a little bouncy, but not mounted anywhere. Well, we lost our son.
Whoops. Just rest your arms there.
Yeah, we'll try. We'll try holding it this way. Yeah, I'm driving everybody bouncy. Their heads are like them little...
I can see a peripheral vision and it's driving me nuts.
Probably all their heads are going like the little doggies in the wind. And,
yeah.
Doop, 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 doop. Here's another meat market. We haven't been to this one yet. We stopped by once, but they were closed. And they're supposed to be affiliated with Plumbo's.
Ted's?
This is Ted's. We haven't been to that one yet. We'll have to check it out one of these days. It's a few miles closer. Turkey vultures. Where's Amy? She must be around here somewhere. The turkey vultures love Amy. This is the highest vocational school, Jeff Tech. We got some nice foliage. Oops. Heading on our way to the bench. I think I can. Well, these school buses must have fun on this road.
Yeah, in the winter.
Well,
that tree.
Yeah, no. I'm sure they don't cancel school like they do in Massachusetts. They get, just saying they're going to get snow, they cancel the school.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to get a dusting. Oh, here's the bench. Okay, let me jump out of the truck. Check this view out. Here's the bench. You can sit on it. And there's a beautiful view. Nice. Be beautiful if the sun was out. Bright. Check that out. Nice. Okie dokie, back to the bench. Yeah, we're almost home. So get 1 or 2 more videos. We got some rain. Because you can see the windshield wipers going. Yeah. Got some pretty colors. Home sweet home. After riding, the foliage is beautiful behind the house.
In that tree.
And look at that maple. Meow. Okie dokie.
With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love